Aaron, what do you think of the police arresting people in the Capitol?
No, because they think that the bad is not good.
You think that they should be arresting people for singing?
No.
Why not?
I think they should arrest the bad people.
Yeah. What do you think about Scott Walker?
No, I think they should arrest Scott Walker so you don't have to tell them to get everyone and to arrest people.
Okay, can you say it again? Because I think Aiden was being too loud. What do you think, Scott? What do you think of Scott Walker?
He has to do his job, and he's not doing his job. So I don't think he should be governor. I think they should arrest him and put him in jail.
What do you think he's doing wrong?
Arresting people and telling the police to arrest people. Even though, he is, in charge, even though he's in charge, still, if he's being bad, then they should listen to him.
The policeman shouldn't listen to him? Yeah. The cops? Yeah. Would you vote for him if he ran for president?
No.
Why not?
I just told you. Because on president, he might be even more bad.
Okay.